Hey there, I'm making a short video on buying exotic wood online. Just in case you're like me that, was reluctant to do it. Anyways, I can't speak for all online exotic wood shops because first of all, I don't know them all. I just tell you my experience with Craft Supplies USA in America. We love you guys, because I'm in Canada, just in case you didn't know. But anyways, I didn't buy all of this. Some of this was bought here, but I have to tell you, and this, I guess, is a shout out to Craft Supplies at a mom and pop shop. They have an amazing customer service, and I'm a small channel. I don't get paid or know any of these people. I'm just sharing with you how I feel, and that's always going to be. I have another YouTube channel with over 400,000 subscribers. That's for what I do for a living, which I'll tell you before I go. But anyways, this video was about this, and Juan gets yakking, and so anyways, this was branded and on their website as a handle turning blank compared to a regular turning blank, which is this one here. When you do a handle, you want perfectly straight grain, and they definitely deliver with this is a piece of cherry, and it is exactly what the advertiser is going to be. I bought this piece. Same thing, this is marble wood from somewhere in South America, I can't remember where. And this, because I'm originally from Argentina, I had to buy it. It's covered on wood saber, I guess, to kind of like waxy, to protect it from expanding and contracting, I guess. This is from the Patagonia in Argentina, so I had to buy it. Hopefully I'm gonna make either one or two boxes in the lathe. Once I learn, because I don't know the first thing about it, but I will share my experience of me learning the lathe. Hopefully there won't be any blood on those videos. But I mean, if you're looking for some of this stuff and you're afraid to buy online, at least from Craft Supplies USA, I can tell you that it is exactly what they tell you it's going to be. And if not, I can guarantee you they'll make it right for you, because I have chit-chatted with them back and forth, and they're great. I mean, I own a business myself, so to me, customer service is what it needs to be. So, and because this is my personal channel, as I mentioned before, I have another channel which is Open House 24. I'm not trying to advertise, I'm just telling you what the name of it is. I just want to tell you a secret about myself, just in case some of the people here know. But anyways, my profession is I'm a professional photographer and videographer, and I'm an award-winning photographer for that matter. I work for a major newspaper for like 11 years. I won several awards. I work as a cameraman in television, and I run a corporate and advertising video production company where we do very, very high-end stuff and deal with a lot of equipment. But as you can see here, and I'm saying this because I laugh when I see I do watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I mean, it's great. It's something to learn from everyone. But there is nothing here studio related. I have a little Osmo camera, and I have it's here charging. I have a little POV camera that like hangs on your head to do my videos, and that's the way it's gonna be, because it's not about impressing you. I'm just sharing sharing my time with you, and this place is a place where I won't have fun. So I did posted a video about a bit of a tour, and I got some great comments. I thank you all. I think the idea behind my channel is I just want to like hang out with you guys, or you guys hang out with me, whatever, whichever one suits. I saw a comment about that it was too clean, and the answer to that is that's the way I like it. I do make a mess here. When I do stuff, everything that you see here was built here, and I'm just a bit of a neat freak, and I want this place to be enjoyable, and I want to be able to hang out here whether I'm doing something or not. And if it's a mess, I will not feel like doing so. So anyways, I promise you I won't, forget it. I probably will talk too much in my next video too. But I'm just letting you in and some of my own personal stuff, and that's the way it's gonna go from now on. So anyways, thanks for being here. Happy online exotic wood shopping, and I'll catch up with you on the next one. Ciao.